Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will tackle a common Hadoop error service not starting. If you are ever run into this issue, the solution might be simpler than you think. Let's dive in and fix it step by step. The first thing you will notice is that some Hadoop services like NameNode, secondary NameNode, or DataNode aren't starting when you run the start-all.sh command. Let me show you how to solve this issue quickly. To check the running services, use the JPS command. In this case, you will notice that the NameNode or other critical services are missing. The issue is often caused by the missing or incorrect configuration in the core-site.xml file. Specifically, the fs.defaultFS property needs to be set for Hadoop to function correctly. Fix that. Open your core-site.xml file, add this property and save the changes. This tells Hadoop where to find the name node. Once you have updated the configuration, restart all Hadoop services. Use the following command: start-all.sh. After restarting, let's verify that all services are running by using the JPS command again. So as you can see, all services are now up and running, and the missing configuration is core-site.xml was the root cause of the issue. And that's it. By simply setting the fs.defaultFS properties in the core-site.xml file, you can resolve this common issue and get all your Hadoop services running smoothly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.